Hi out there, viewers. It's, what the hell is that? It's October 27th. It's a Sunday. This is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. And this would be part 36, segment 1. So, if you look here, there's a window latch mechanism. Here's a striker plate. And there's an outside door latch. So that's progress. In addition to that, you've added the wood then already?
Huh?
You added the wood?
Yeah.
Wood. Lou has added a filler piece of wood, which brings us up level. And then he cut that piece of sheet metal. And the sheet metal isn't tied down yet, right?
No, not yet.
So next you're gonna cut the fiberglass, or what? What's next?
No, I'm gonna get the metal all tacked down in there, and then the piece of fiberglass will go on top of that.
Oh, okay. Kind of tinny, as if you expected. The inside handle is a classic old Ford from the 40s, 39s, and that you... Which way? Hang on, let me look. Yeah, you push the handle down, and that locks the door. Like I say, typical 30s and 40s Ford. Well, after all, it's a 48 Ford, even though it's from England, Ford Motor Company, so that's what they did. So, anything new or different?
Huh?
Anything new or just...
No.
Okay, so when you get the bottom fiberglass and stuff, you're going to obviously, we'll switch to the other door.
Then
Right?
I'll go the other side.
Go the other side, but not looking too bad. So, while I'm thinking of it, address some of the comments that have come in here recently. One is for, and I can't remember the viewer's name, but yeah, I know, we're aware of the fact that the wheel isn't exactly centered in the fender. However, it's not something that's going to be concerned with for a while. We got a lot of other things that are more important, if we ever attempt to address it. It is what it is. So
Yeah, it'd be simple to do. Just push it back.
what? The axle?
Yeah.
But then the drive shaft is different.
Well, I mean, as you're in the transmission that much, you can come way out of the, you can come out half an inch, no sweat.
What about misalignment of the coilovers?
The what?
The coilovers, do they have to be?
No, you just move everything back.
Oh.
Put a spacer in there and just boom.
Okay, so maybe.
Yeah, it's
All right, so makes you happy, then at some point, probably when the body's off the frame, right?
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah, who knows? Probably.
That's long.
Anyway, it's something that can be looked at later, but for now we're working doors. Doors are the major issue. And let me think. What other comments did we have? Somebody told us that in their heyday they used to cut the hinges and then adjust the door and then re-weld the hinges, which seems like a lot of work. Anyway, we're moving along. We're kind of satisfactory, we think. And with that, I guess that's about it for this segment, right, Lou?
Yeah, it's kind of nice to finally have a door that works and everything. Yeah. And then, this here, the piece that they cut off here, I'll trim this down and it'll lay back on top of this, and then fiberglass all in here. And this, I'm going to tack this piece to this, then this will be screwed down
to the wood.
To the wood.
So later on, when we pull the body off the frame.
Yeah, they'll all be together.
They'll all come undone.
Yeah, it'll all come together.
And the body will lift off the frame, and then the frame will be looked at to be paint it fine.
Yeah,
What,
it'll be
powder?
all one piece.
We're gonna what? Powder coat the frame?
Huh?
We're gonna powder coat the frame or paint it?
That's,
No?
that's so far down the road shit.
Yeah, yeah.
That's-
Oh, that reminds me. Another viewer asked if, when we started this, which would have been 2 years last first day of spring this year, 2024, did we envision that it was going to be this long? No, we never thought about it, right?
Never really thought about it.
Never thought about it. It's a project, and we're working on it. And as all of you who have viewed the
Yeah, it's a hot rod.
many videos, there's been an awesome amount of work done already in the 2.5 years or so. Hey, that reminds me, Lou.
Yeah.
Blueprint is now selling engine transmission combos.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you can buy a Blueprint engine mated to a, I can't remember, it was a 4LE or the Turbo Hydro 400 or a Tremec manual. But they sell in the package. Of course, it ain't cheap.
Oh, yeah.
It isn't cheap,
Yeah.
but considering what you'll get for the money,
Yeah.
I mean, with a 2300 to 2800 stall converter if you go for the automatic transmission. But yeah, that would be a lot of time saver for somebody.
Oh, yeah, that's the way to go. Buy the whole complete unit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
as opposed to like we did, finding out that the wrong torque converter was in a box marked for marks. This is a 350, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We bought the B&M transmission at Summit. We bought the converter at Summit. The converter was supposed to be for the Turbo Hydro 350. Wouldn't fit. And for those of you, that's covered in a past video. It was a converter for a 4L E60 instead of that. It was packaged and labeled wrong. Which these days, quality control.
Oh, yeah, it's easy to do. Somebody just
Yeah.
puts it in the wrong box. That's
Yeah.
the way it is.
As I recall, fortunately, there was a sticker that we uncovered from the paint
Yeah.
that allowed us to research on the internet with the part number and find out that the converter was the wrong one. And of course, when we got the correct one from Summit, it bolted right in the
Yeah, it was boom.
three-step
Okay.
the way it's supposed to. Okay, so enough bullshitting. Gonna let you go on this segment with the reminder, get out there and vote.
Yeah.
Catch you all later. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, everybody. It's Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. This is, what is today? Today's the 1st of November. And this is part 36, segment 2. And I got a correction for segment 1. I referred to this as a window lock. It's not, it's a door lock. Yeah, okay. In this general area, so too bad. So what's going on here is, Lou, you want to talk to this? What have you done here?
Okay, we got what I'm going to do now.
Oh, what have you done since the last one?
Okay, I got the sheet metal in, and it's all screwed into the wood down in here, and then it's tacked into this guy, so that'll be cool. And then I put the piece that I cut out back in here, and she's glued and screwed in. Then I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and get this rounded off a little bit down in here, and then I'll glass this all in.
Okay, so
And then I'll glass this around, all this, fill all that in back in, so it'll be like it was
it'll
originally.
be a radius
Yeah,
that allows the door to close.
yeah.
And then what's happening with the window glass? Anything?
Well,
You got a template?
yeah, I got let's see what I do with it. Oh, I put it up better. Watch out. Yeah, I got the template made for the glass. And so just gonna go like this.
So where'd you get the template from?
The
guy that
the guy got the fenders and stuff from.
he sent you paper?
Yeah, he sent me templates.
Okay, so they were what, paper, and then you transferred,
Yeah, they're made out of their paper, and then I just
transferred it to
transfer the
glass.
cardboard and have to take it down to glass shop and have them make me glass.
So are you going to use clear glass or tinted or?
Oh, just that semi-tinted glass.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't need that real dark shit.
All right. So what about window?
And then I found some electric window regulators on eBay, so I'll go ahead and order them babies. The reel's pretty simple. They have a bracket that goes underneath the glass here, and then there's a rail in the center. It just goes up and down. Well, you can put the motor any place you need, which will make it nice. So there's plenty of room for the motor to hang in there, and then the bracket just will bolt onto this guy here.
Okay. So you're going to have to get
Yeah, and then you put the felt in.
felt
Yeah,
channel.
the door felt that they make in the felt.
Yeah. Looks like you might need a guide down here.
Yeah, I have the one that I took out.
Oh. Okay.
They made a new one, but it was screwed up. It wasn't in right, so I had to redo it.
Okay.
But the latches work good and everything. Yeah, works real good.
So
That'll take care of this side.
yeah. So you're going to do the window and glass before we shift to the other side.
Yeah, I might go ahead and
Finish it as much as you can.
finish it as much as I can, and then go to the other side. Get all this all done in here. Get this whole side complete, then I can do the other side.
And you're going to have to do some filling down here. Huh?
Yeah, just
Close it all up.
close it up.
Oh, looking good.
Yeah.
Looking good. Okay. So, November 1st today.
Yeah. It's getting close.
Getting close.
Yeah.
All you people out there that haven't done it yet, get out and vote. Vote your conscience.
Amen to that one.
Yeah. All right, so I think, let's see. Yeah, I think I got enough. I'll put out the segment.
enough.
Yeah, I'll put these two segments together and put
Yeah,
out.
that'll let everybody know we're still alive.
Yeah, we're still cooking.
Kicking. You know, this year's just about shot.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, God,
All right, so, yeah, by the way, on my 32, my collar is due today.
Oh, you ordered the color?
Yeah, I ordered a black oxide collar to fit the shaft. And I stopped by this morning at Lowe's and got some grade A hardware to bolt the steering box. You didn't make my brackets yet.
No, I haven't cut it out yet.
Okay, so that's it. I'm going to bid everyone goodbye. Take care out there. Remember, get out there and vote. Bye-bye.